today I'm going to be showing you how to do this faux braid. So let's get started.
So today I'm going to show you how to do this faux braid. It's going to make it possible to create this complicated looking braid, but do it in a very easy and simple way. So I've started by clipping off the top section and then grabbing another section, and with that second section I'm going to gather it into a ponytail. Now I'm going to let down that top section over that second section that I've already put a rubber band on, and I'm going to let it be divided into two sections around that center piece that has the rubber band. And then what I'm going to do is, with those two pieces, I'm going to gather them and put them in a rubber band as well. Then I'm going to unclip that top piece that I had clipped away, and I'm going to let it be divided over that rubber banded piece into two sections. And I'm going to grab that piece, that ponytail, and clip it away. And now I'm going to add in some hair onto these two pieces that you see. So I'm going to grab some hair from each side, the left and the right, and I'm going to gather it all together and put that in a ponytail. And then I'm just going to secure it with a rubber band and continue going. So you're going to continue to add in hair to each section as you go down, and you're going to continue the same pattern until you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future tutorial. There will be a new tutorial every Sunday at 10 a.m. And please, in the comments down below, let me know if there's any tutorials you would like to see.